My name is Milton. Assassin, hunter, lover. I'm going to show you how to hunt the deadliest beast of all. No, not the wolf, not the lion. I'm going to show you how to hunt down and kill Bigfoot. Okay, step 1 to hunting down and killing Bigfoot is finding out where his hunting ground is, where he lives. So to make that, to find out where he lives, I have made this map. Here you can see, is it noticeable on the camera? Oh, first we mark out where we are. Here is my house. Yeah, and now we're going to go. My advice, if you want, the best way to find out who Bigfoot lives is interview the locals, say where they've seen him, and then you can make a square grid. And that's the deal with Bigfoot. He only hunts in a straight line out from his lair. So every line where they connect, that's where Bigfoot is. Cut to interviewing villagers.
All right.
So that. Okay, we're still on step 1. We have to find where Bigfoot lives before we can hunt him down and slay him. But to do that, as I said in the previous clip, we're gonna have to go and interview some of the villagers, some of the local here in this island. I think it's called Mosquito Island. But oh, there's a kid right there. Look. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Have you seen a Bigfoot around here?
Yeah, right around there.
By that tree over there.
Yeah,
those
behind
trees.
the tree or in front of the tree.
Oh,
there are a lot
thank
of
you.
whole lot of trees.
Thank
Be
you,
careful
sir.
of them trees now.
Of course I'll be.
You sure be, son of
Yeah.
boy.
Well, hi again. We're still on step 1, finding Bigfoot. But we found out by that nice sir. He told us that he saw Bigfoot around here. And with that information, we can pin down his location, because there've been other seeings here and here. And as I told you, if you connect all the dots, there are like lines between them, and where all of them meet, here, Bigfoot's lair should be around 500 meters south. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and hunt down that Bigfoot. Welcome back to the hunting down of the Bigfoots. Because one Bigfoot, many Bigfoots. Or many, yeah. Screw it. We're currently on step 2, which is luring out Bigfoot. Because we have found his lair. It's this tree. Here's where he lives. But it's currently out hunting, so we need to lure him back. So I'm going to go hide underneath, you see that? That trampoline. So, you see that? So we're gonna go on under here, and we're going to wait. So come, cameraman, come with me. Let's squeeze our way out of this. We're hiding underneath the trampoline, but we're gonna have to have something to bait out the Bigfoot. So, as you know, Bigfoot is a large
carnivorous
ape, and as you know, he really loves Havaianas. It's his favorite meal. So we're gonna throw it out there and yeet. And now we're just gonna wait. Now we're just gonna wait and see what happens. So now we'll cut to when he comes. Currently we're waiting for around 4 hours. I'm starting to doubt my calculations.
Sir?
Yeah?
He's over there.
Oh, damn it! Oh, censor that. Oh, has he noticed us? Oh, no, it's not us! Wrong! Okay, now we're on step 3, the last step. We have to slay him and skin him. But the problem is Bigfoot. The only thing that can hurt him is keys. So I know which key will hurt him. So we're gonna have to use all of them at the same time. Okay, here we go. Ha! I killed him.
He's dead.
Bra. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how to hunt down and kill Bigfoot. Have a good day.